Good evening everyone. Today we are going to discuss the MCQ part 8 of Food Safety Officer exam. First question. Tyndallization is a process used for option A sterilization, option B pasteurization, option C emulsification and option D liquefaction. Tyndallization is a process used for, correct answer is sterilization. Correct answer is option A, sterilization. Next question. Percentage of acetic acid in ketchup. Option A 1.5, option B 4, option C 6.5 and option D 7. Percentage of acetic acid in ketchup. And the correct answer is option A 1.5. Next question. Eugenol is present in option A ginger, option B turmeric, option C clove and option D cumin. Eugenol is present in, and the correct answer is option C clove. Eugenol is present in clove. Next question. Which among these is a proteolytic enzyme? Option A bromelain, option B trypsin, option C physin and option D all. Which among these is a proteolytic enzyme? And the correct answer is option D all. Bromelain, trypsin, physin all are proteolytic enzyme. Next question. Which among these is a saprotrop? Option A mushroom, option B phytoplankton, option C algae and option D wheat. Which among these is a saprotrop? And the correct answer is option A mushroom. Mushroom is the example of saprotrop. Next question. Scurvy is caused by option A niacin, option B thiamine, option C ascorbic acid and option D biotin. Scurvy is caused by, and the correct answer is option C ascorbic acid or vitamin C. Scurvy is caused by the deficiency of ascorbic acid or vitamin C. Next question. BHA is an option A antifungal agent, option B antioxidant, option C anti-caking agent and option D none. BHA. Correct answer is option B antioxidant. BHA is an antioxidant. Next question. Which among these is known as cane sugar? Option A maltose, option B lactose, option C fructose and option D sucrose. Which among these is known as cane sugar? And the correct answer is option D sucrose is known as cane sugar. Next question. Which variety of glass is heat resistant? Option A flint glass, option B pyrex glass, option C bottle glass and option D hard glass. Which variety of glass is heat resistant? And the correct answer is option B pyrex glass is heat resistant. Next question. The sealing in aseptic packaging is option A hermetic sealing, option B vacuum sealing, option C thermo sealing and option D all. The sealing in aseptic packaging is, correct answer is option A hermetic sealing. Next question. Which process is used in aseptic packaging? Option A sterilization, option B autoclaving, option C heating and option D none. Which process is used in aseptic packaging? And the correct answer is option A sterilization. Next question. Which harmful products can be found in PET bottles? Option A phthalates, option B aluminum, option C lead and option D all. Which harmful products can be found in PET bottles? And the correct answer is option A, phthalates. And PET is polyethylene terephthalate. Next question. The first aseptic packaging of food was carried out in option A 1920, option B 1967, option C 1913 and option D 1980. The first aseptic packaging of food was carried out in, correct answer is option C 1913. Next question. Who discovered hyperbaric storage? Option A, Robert Brand. Option B, Workman et al. Option C, Mossman Lane. And option D, Rabin Fille. Who discovered hyperbaric storage? And the correct answer is option B, Workman et al. Discovered hyperbaric storage. Next question. Which among these is water soluble pigment? Option A, anthocyanin, option B, chlorophyll, option C, carotenoids and option D, all. Which among these is water soluble pigment? And the correct answer is option A, anthocyanin is water soluble pigment. Next question. Fat content of skimmed milk. Option A 2%, option B 1%, option C 0.5% and option D 5%. Fat content of skimmed milk. And the correct answer is option C 0.5%. Next question. The liquid extracted from the mashing process during the brewing of beer or whiskey. Option A, malt, option B, salt, option C, wort and option D, Dane. Liquid extracted from the mashing process during the brewing of beer or whiskey. And the correct answer is option C, wort. Next question. Which alcohol is having least calorie? Option A, vodka, option B, red wine, option C, beer and option D, absinthe. Which alcohol is having least calorie? And the correct answer is option A, vodka is having least calorie. Next question. Lycopene is a, option A, enzyme, option B, pigment, option C, amino acid and option D, all. Lycopene is a pigment. Correct answer is option B, pigment. Next question. Wheat is fortified with option A, iron, folic acid and vitamin B12, option B, vitamin K and vitamin E, option C, vitamin D, vitamin C and biotin, option D, vitamin C, vitamin A and tocopherol. Wheat is fortified with, and the correct answer is option A, iron, folic acid and vitamin B12. Wheat is fortified with iron, folic acid and vitamin B12. Thank you. We'll see you in the next class.